Ranking in Google AI mode and AI overviews is one of the biggest opportunities for businesses in 2026, but so many businesses still don't know how to do it. So I'm going to quickly walk you through how I'm using Claude in order to dominate Google AI overviews and Google AI mode. Now, I'm going to be using this example. It's Storganize or a self-storage business. So it's going to hopefully give you an example that you can just copy the process from. I am using a paid Claude account. If you're not paying for Claude, I highly recommend it, just purely because you get access to deep research, extended thinking, and Opus 4.6, which is the best model. Now, when it comes to ranking in AI overviews, there's really two things that you need to do. First of all, you need to analyze the existing sources that are being used to come up with a recommendation. So this is a self-storage software. The target customers of that business are probably typing in best self-storage software or longer, more complicated prompts in AI, but the premise, they're searching for this, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to analyze the sources that are used to come up with these recommendations. What you'll often see across these is there's a lot of listicles. Listicles are basically just list articles that list the best of something. And because AI search engines have no personal experience of their own, what they'll often do is go to these listicles in order to understand what they should recommend when providing a recommendation. So while this isn't how you use Claude, the first thing that you should be doing if you want to rank in Google AI is you find all the listicles, you find all the sources, and you just open these in a new tab and you install an extension called Hunter, which basically just scrapes any website and will give you the emails and LinkedIns of anyone that works there. So here, 6 best self-storage management softwares. I would reach out to anyone relevant at this business on email and also via LinkedIn in order to pitch that my business, and you should do this for yours, is featured at the top. Sometimes you will have to pay them, but trust me, it is worth it, because if you get at the top of those listicles, that can literally get you ranking in AI in under 24 hours. However, where Claude comes in is obviously sometimes you're not going to be able to edit these sources. For example, some of the sources that you might see might be competitors, Reddit threads, or something like that, where you can't edit the answer, you can't edit the source yourself. So what you should look to do is create your own sources that essentially trains LLMs that you are the best, trains Google AI mode that you should be recommended. So what you should actually do is you first need to analyze which sources are most commonly used to influence Google AI mode. And don't worry, I've already done it for you, but if you want to do it yourself, you can actually head over to Focal, which will be the first link in the description. That's a tool that I've built in order to tell you exactly what you need to do to get in AI answers. And if you head over to the recommendations and then either sources or citation gaps, this essentially tells you where you're not listed, which websites you're not on that you need to be on. And one of the most common sites that I'm seeing is being used to influence Google AI mode right now that most people are missing out on is LinkedIn. And specifically on LinkedIn, it is this write article feature. I found that LinkedIn is around the 5th most cited answer in AI search results. So if you can post an article on LinkedIn, which is a listicle with your business at the top, it is literally the fastest way in order to get ranked. All you need to do is make sure you use Claude in the right way, so you're actually giving it the information that it needs in order to get your business recommended. Now, I've already done it for the example business that I'm going to show you. However, I'm just going to give you a prompt that you can use so you can just copy what I've done. So this is the template prompt. I will add this in the description below. But you can see I want to write an article listicle covering the best X in 2026. You should just replace this for whatever you do. So best self-storage software in this example. I specifically tell it what the title of the article is going to be, and this is crucial. You need to make sure it uses natural language and a summary at the top of the article covering the pros and cons of each, as well as the main features. I don't know the exact stat off the top of my head, but most information that is cited in AI overviews comes from the top third of the article. So you want to make sure you're providing a really concise summary or TLDR at the top of the article, so it's easily retrieved by AI search engines like Google AI mode and Google AI overviews, so that your business can get featured. You should then tell it to optimize the article for the below keywords. Beneath it, you can then add the keywords that you want to rank for. And then these are the 2 last critical things you need to do. First, below is some additional information you can use to personalize the article to my understanding. So here you can basically talk out loud, share the personal, unique insight that you have in here in order to personalize the article further. And then here is Below is what AI looks for when providing a recommendation in this niche. Ensure to include it. And essentially how you get that is you'll go to Claude and you'll say, what do you look for when providing a recommendation in X? So you're literally asking AI in order to give you a checklist of what it looks for when providing a recommendation in your niche, which in this example is self-storage software. It's then going to essentially give you bullet points of what it looks for, and you can then just copy and paste it into this template. And the article that you're going to get given will not only be optimized for SEO because you've given it keywords, but it's also going to be primed in order to influence AI search results. Now, you are going to have to reprompt it sometimes. As you can see, I gave some back and forth. There's some things that I wasn't fully happy with. However, the end product, because I've actually already produced a video on this topic before, so I was able to personalize the information that Claude used, although it will actually go out and search the internet in order to get information to make the content of the article more rich. But because I was able to give it my own context, it was able to produce an article that is not only well structured because of the prompt, but is also very likely in order to get that business ranking in AI search results. As you can see, the video that I recorded already ranks really well on Google. So by using that information in this article, again, it's just very likely to rank. And again, I'll just polish it off by embedding that video in, just so if someone does land on the article, if they click and watch that video, that's going to increase the dwell time, i.e. the time that someone spends on that page, which is going to boost it higher up on Google search results and therefore boost it higher up in AI overviews. Because if you're higher up on Google, you're more likely to rank in those AI results. Now, one thing that you should do before posting and leaving this video is make sure you actually head over to settings, and then in here you've got the ability to generate the URL, and you can see the keyword that I want to rank for is in the URL slug, which is really overpowered. And then you have the ability to actually optimize the SEO title and SEO description. So this is parasite SEO at its finest. And in less than 20 minutes, I was able to write this article, which I'm very, very confident is going to get this business ranking higher up in AI mode in less than 24 hours. So if you want to do the same, I'll add the prompts below. And if you want to sign up to Focal, the tool that I'm building in order to make it easier for you to rank in AI search results like ChatGPT, AI mode, etc. I'll also add that in the description. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.